Martin Cartrin ymosod yn gynnar iawn yn yr hanner cynta yma. Declan Walker, pêl-bod y glis! A John Owen yn gwastraffu cyfle. Stevens yn crymanu hon, tua'r postyn pella! Oddi ar y linell gan Declan Walker. Peniad gan Hart, dwi'n am e. Nôl at Miles Hart ar y foli. A'i gwasgu mewn ar ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Yn erbyn llif o chwarae, ond mae Damien Ketley yn dathlu gol gynta'r tymor hyn i Breckstadtyn. Mae'r ergyd nôl gan Miles Hart yn cael ei gwyro efallai gan Ketley. Yn sicr mae Ketley yn hawlio ddi. Bristwyth yn symud y bêl, mas at Allen, digon o le. Mae chwamser hefyd, bêl i'r canol, Craig Hobson yn aros. Ac ar y postyn pella, mae John Owen yn gwastraffu cyfle arall ar y cwt chwech. Llawer gormod o le ac amser i Damien Allen. Amddiffyn Prestatyn yn methu clirio. A cyfle arall i John Owen. Aberystwyth yn dianc. Ross Stevens yn rheoli. Melvin. Zayach Edwards, tacl hwyr. Digon sinigol. Mae Noah Edwards, dwi'n credu, wedi gwneud rhywbeth fan hyn. Ryw arwydd bach i'r dorf. A mae y bant, mae oddi ar y ca. Edwards yn gadael. A Prestatyn lawr i 10-10. Mae'r gardyn goch wedi dod mas eto. Zayach Edwards sydd yn gadael. Nid Noah. A brawd anghywir yn cael y cerdyn y tro cynta. Young. Wedi gweld fod John Owen yn rhydd ar y weith. Jones tu ôl iddo fe. Melvin. O bell i'r canol. Y peniad gan Calloway i'r cefen y rwyd. Jeff Calloway yn union i'r sgôr. Ond tipyn o'r clod yn gorau mynd i Malcolm Melvin. Ond y bêl na ar blat i Calloway. Walker. Hobson nôl at y cefnor de. Cyfle i groesi'r canol. Melvin. I'r canol eto. Y peniad. Oddi ar bawb o'i gefn y rwyd. Aberystwyth nagos a Liman i chodi. Hobson a Borelli yn mynnu fod na chwaraewr Prestatyn nôl ar y linell. Lleg amser gyda Ashley Young. Mae'n codi hon i'r canol. Yr ymdrech, y bêl, y gwmpo. I Allen. Y cyfle eired yn gwmpo i'r chwaraewr canol ca. I ddwyn y triffwynt yn hwyr iawn ar goedlan y parc. Damien Allen yn gwastraffu'r cyfle hynny.
Gareth Wilson, that's a very good point, isn't it? Or could you even have snuck it?
Yeah, I'm really pleased with the point. Obviously at 1-0 and then having a player sent off. We were really, really comfortable at 1-0 and playing a lot of good stuff. And I felt we would have gone on to win the game. But we've defended resiliently throughout the team. And, you know, I suppose at the end of the day, with 10 men for so long, you take the point. But there's loads of positives in there.
Is that 2 points dropped?
Yeah, I think so. In the context of the game, you know, with the chances we've had and created, you know, obviously playing against 10 men, which we all know can be difficult at times. But we've done enough chances to win that game comfortable tonight. But, you know, yeah, 2 points dropped, and obviously disappointed about that.
That performance shows that there's plenty of fight left in the team as well. Is there still plenty of belief that you're not quite down yet?
Well, there's plenty of belief. Obviously, we're under no illusions. There's 8 games and we know our position within the league. But what I will say is that group of players in there will continue to fight for the football club to play at this level. And that's what we can do. And they give me everything today. They give me everything last week. And we'll continue to do that.
Sounds like you're optimistic about the end of the season as well, that you're still in with a shout.
Well, we are. You know, we had a massive chance tonight, you know, to obviously leapfrog over Llandudno, and then that puts us 3 points away from obviously 7th place. You know, that will come again because, you know, we know teams are going to take points off each other. But yeah, you know, we're still aiming for 7th. That doesn't change after tonight. You know, it's not a defeat. You know, it's 4 points over the last 2 games. So, you know, onwards and upwards.